Why, happy Tuesday, students of Earth and Fire. I'm clearly happy to be back with you all. All right, so check it out. We're gonna do a few new things, a few things that I need to tell you, as we are coming back together for quarter four. Well, we still say a healthy distance apart. All right, man, I'm happy to be back. So check it out. On the screen here, you will see two new schedules, one for Earth and one for Fire. So Fire, let's go over yours first. Monday, Mr. Seawalt and I plan to keep it pretty light, and instead, you just have to do a few things. So check your email between 8 and 8:30. Do Mr. Seawalt's live Padlet, and then work time. All right, it's just up to you. Check Google Classroom. Your work will be there. But Tuesday and Friday for Fire. Mr. Seawalt is still suggesting that you check your email between 8 and 8:30, that you get on for your Padlet between 9 and 9:30 because that is worth a grade and it will be posted in Google Classroom. Fire, you have to meet with Mr. Seawalt between 9:30 and 10. He's making that mandatory. I'm letting you know. Between 10 and 10:30 Earth, you need to do the same thing. You have to meet with Mr. Seawalt. It is mandatory. You have between 11 and 1:30 to work. That's just your time. Eat lunch in there. And then if you're in Fire, you got to meet with me between 1:30 and 2. Actually, you don't have to meet with me. There will be certain days when it's mandatory, so read your emails every morning, please. But a lot of the days it's just going to be if you need help with the work that day, then please come see me. Or if you just want to talk, then please come see me. I'll be happy to listen to you. All right, Earth, we're transferring to you. Same thing. Check your email every day at 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock, you'll have your Padlet advisory. Something will be posted. I expect you to post in there. That is mandatory. And on Mondays, you have between 9 and 12:30 to work, and then take the day off. You should be done by then. Tuesday through Friday looks a little different for Earth. All right, so 9 to 9:30, that is when I will be on Padlet, Instagram Live. I'll be on Instagram Live 1 or 2 days per week. Between 9:30 and 10, that's your time to work. Email Mr. Seawalt and myself if you have any questions. And between 10:30 and 11, that is where you all Earth kids have to meet with Mr. Seawalt. He is making that mandatory, so please be there. Follow the links in Google Classroom. Then you have work time and you take a lunch. And Earth, between 2 and 2:30, you need to meet with me. Same deal as Fire. That means that if you need help, come see me. I will be there in Google Meet live every afternoon from 2 to 2:30. But if you don't need the help, if you already have it done, or if you found it very simple, then you do not need to be there that day. But there will be once or twice per week that it is mandatory. So please, please, please read those emails every day. Make sure that you know whether it is optional or whether it is mandatory. All right, I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to start quarter four. We all got this. You've got this. You've worked way too hard to let go now. So keep trying. Make us proud, but ultimately we're proud of you no matter what. All right, love you guys. Bye.